Struggle acronym story. Every struggle transforms you. So the breakup of struggle is S, strengthening, building inner muscles. T, transforming, evolving through challenges. R, rising, bouncing back stronger. U, understanding, learning lessons from hardship. G, growing, expanding beyond limits. G, grateful, appreciating the lessons. L, learning, turning failures into wisdom. E, evolving, becoming your highest self. When you embrace struggle, you become unstoppable. Difficulties in life don't come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential. So, wake up.